Hello traders, today is Friday, November 8th, and it's time to talk about our portfolio again. So let's talk about market first. VIX collapsed back to 16 area after election, as it was expected, and market ran up more than 250 points. So I think that now you realize how important it is to keep your total portfolio delta positive. So let's see how our portfolio behaved during this week. We can see here our total S&P 500 futures position is up. Right now it's about 8,700. It was about 9,000 in the morning. Plus, we have to add here 1,500 profit, which we closed on our violin strategy. Last Friday it was 6,000. So altogether, it's approximately 4,500 in profit, which is very good. It's approximately 3% per week. Uh, So also we got some profit from our MAS position and our oil position also. You can see that it's right now approximately $400. Uh, because VIX collapsed, unfortunately, our theta dropped down probably around 50%, and our portfolio delta went back to negative territory. So whole week we just added new positions to our ladder, and also we open new trade, which is balalaika, which adds some good portion of positive delta to our portfolio. We will see how it will perform. Uh, about balalaika course, I would like to say that I will probably this weekend dedicate time to finish that course, and I hope that next week you can get it. So we can go and check our position separately. Let's see our A ladder is slightly negative delta, and it's time to roll it actually, but it's still 42 days till expiration. That's why I don't touch it, because I don't think that market will run up much more. Maybe another 20 points, 20, 30 points, and after that it should start uh, trade in range and even decline a little. So we will keep it as it is because all our other ladder trades is has positive delta. Let's see, B position is a little bit positive delta around 2. Uh, Also, it's in normal market condition, probably we will roll already or add something. It's still 28 days till expiration. Also, we're gonna keep it till probably next week and see what's going on. Our C ladder is uh, also small positive delta and also approaching the maximum profit so far right now. We did D position today at D4. Now it's look like this. It's 5.5 positive delta and looks good and safe. Let me show you our Balalaika trade. What is this? Just a sec. Here it is. Well, it's we opened it just 2 days ago. It's already $200 in profit. This is how structure looks like. So it's pretty safe also, and our closest short puts 24 days till expiration at delta around 5. So we're gonna keep it for another week or two, and after that we will roll it as planned. Let's see how our violin strategy works. I will show you all of them together. V3, V4, and V5. It's also very profitable. Has some positive delta, 3.5. And I think that in today's market environment, if we start trading in range, it has pretty good potential to increase profit up to probably $5,000 or $6,000 from 3,500 right now. Also, we adjust and add our Vega hedges, which looks good now. Let me show you our Vega hedges. Okay, this is BSH position. It's slightly in profit. How you can see, we sold yesterday, I believe, our new 30 days till expiration short put, and when it will be expired, our ratio will be very very good for Vega hedge. So we have 15, 30 longs against 13 shorts plus one short 30 days DT. And this another one, BSH1. Also, we sold one short put 30 DT, and it shows small negative number in PNL. Also, same kind of strategy. Well, you don't need to worry about that. That short puts, we will treat it as regular short puts of our income strategy. We will close it if markets start declining hard, or we will roll it down and use our delta hedges to pay for that. It should be safe. That's it. So it was pretty good week, as expected. Well, we could make more money if we will be a little bit more aggressive before election, but we didn't know how it's gonna play out, so we reduce some our income position before that, increase our protection, and now even in this condition we make pretty good money. Right now my portfolio, I margin used less than 30%, something like 27, 26. And also would like to mention that we add today TLT position. It's some question about that trade in Discord channel. Guys, it's just a small replacement of our bill position, because TLT is long-term bonds. Yes, it's much more volatile than bill, because bill is just short-term, 30 days bills, ETF. But we're right now at so low level, so I don't think we're gonna worry about much more decline of this, and it has that ETF TLT has very liquid options. Why not just to use TLT to get virtually same kind of dividends which we get from Bill, but also get some income from our options. So we open it. I cannot show you here on my option at Explorer. This is how it's look like now, but profit is wrong because I don't know why option at Explorer not updating well TLT stocks. Uh, but point is we have long-term protection and sell short puts to be assigned. Our goal to be assigned and get stocks. We did protection with ratio spread plus straddle, 133 DTE. So we covered pretty well. Even you can see here up to 97, which I don't think we're gonna go there pretty soon. And we continuously will sell against that protection structure short puts, and I hope we will be assigned soon and keep that long shares to get dividends. That's it for market and portfolio. Let's see what kind of question do you have. It's pretty good questions. First, hi, for income ladder, I am selling 50 to 100 points wide put spreads, 30 DTE, to help with buying power rather than naked 30 DTE put. Seems to be working through. I need to sell 5, 10 per week to keep up with naked put theta. And I guess this creates more risk. Any thoughts? Well, guys, it's absolutely different kind of structure. It's some kind of uh, ratio calendarized butterfly. I'm not big fan of doing put spreads because it's yes, it's less margin, but to get same kind of theta and profit, you have to make sell much more of them, and it became even more risky than just naked puts. Naked puts is dangerous during Valmageddon event, but because we have Vega hedges, it shouldn't be a problem anymore for us. Uh, Second question from Tom. About your thoughts on using your income strategy for other underlying aside from ES futures. I feel like I need more diversification. Have you used or test with other commodities or even stocks? Well, the key here for our ladder strategy is liquidity. Yes, you probably can trade it on very liquid stocks like, I don't know, Apple, Google, Amazon, or whatever others. But personally, I don't like to do it with stocks because that event which we had just a week ago, election event, with stocks we have every 3 months. Options behave the same way. So and wait till company will uh, publish their quarterly results and it's kind of unpredictable, and theta is not working linearly, same as we have on indexes. So uh, you can do that, but if you know what you're doing, but it's not my trade, and I stay away from that. Commodity, probably you can do it on oil or gold futures because they're pretty liquid, but I don't think any other uh, commodities will be good candidate for ladder strategy. How do you determine your strikes for ratio spread like you just did on oil? Well, in general, I prefer to buy one put at delta approximately 20 and sell three at delta 10. Uh, if it's the first trade, if it's addition, I still try to stick with the same numbers, but it could be adjusted. Depends how our existing position doing and where is the risk. But as a uh, regular rule, so it's 20 and 10 delta. GCOM, I think this an excellent question. Always looking for new things to do, and same element of diversification to our portfolio must be a good thing. Yes, I agree. I agree. But at the same time, we have too many positions. The diversification is good, but big diversification is hard to manage. So it's up to you. Yes. From Tom, maybe a dumb question, but what is the reason to analyze the income ladder shorts in groups by numbers? Uh, all the four together, leaving out the rest. How you know we have four series of income ladder A, B, C, and D. I would like to see all of them separately to see how they look like, but also it's good idea to check all of them together, and we do it also. And yes, if one of them will have a small short delta, but three of others have positive delta, that's fine because that with short delta will serve as additional protection. But in general, how I said, we prefer to keep our position delta positive all the time. And one more from Tom. Please go over new TLT trade and how it will be managed. Yeah, how I said that our goal here with TLT is to be assigned and keep shares, get dividends and additional profit uh, from our short call and short puts. Uh, how we're going to manage it? Well, if market decline, we will be assigned. We have pretty good wide protection long term. If market go up, uh, we will continue to sell short-term short puts and in the money or at the money. Sooner or later, we will be assigned. Uh, because the bonds is not a big flyer, even 20 years bonds. So I don't expect that overnight it can jump again back to 100. So we kind of safe here. Even we have right now uncovered short calls, which is long term, and I don't worry about it much. Uh, From Gary, can you briefly discuss the potential move from 30 DTE to 45 DTE on the income ladder? Will that entail any changes in PDS or simply just moving the short puts further out in time? Yes, we're going to keep the same PDS, 500 points wide at delta 10. We just would like, when volatility is low, which we probably going to have soon, it's already around 15, 30 DT short puts, we have to roll them very quickly because probably in a week or two, it will lose most of value and we have to roll it. Plus, at the beginning, it will be not enough premium. Uh, 45 DT is much easier to handle. First of all, it's safer because 10 delta 45 DT short put is lower than 30 DTE. Second, it has little bit less margin requirement, and we're gonna probably hold it not more than 30 days anyway. So when it will be 15 days left, probably we're gonna roll it to new 45 DTE position. I personally I use that for myself 45 DTE ladder, and it's worked very well and doesn't need much attention for adjustment, and it's safe and I like it. So let's move. Plus, if we're gonna use 45 DTE, we can use just three instead of four uh, series. We can manage it every 2 weeks, and it will be helpful for lots of guys who have a smaller account size. And the last question, again about TLT. Please explain your TLT trade works and how you plan to manage it, particularly if it run away to the upside. Yes, I already said we're gonna continuously sell short puts, and I don't think it's gonna be big issue. That's it, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend and good evening, and be safe. And I think we will continue uh, to make good profit from our portfolio, even in a smaller IV environment. I already miss higher IV environment. It was much easier to make money, but we're gonna be fine, I guess, in with our strategies. We should probably adjust it a little. Maybe we will see. Maybe we will start opening our hedges of ladder instead of 500 points wide, maybe 400 points wide, to make a little bit more positive delta. We will see. We will adjust it if we need it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.